is a potential short trade idea for Ethereum. This is the daily, each candle representing a day. We've got a primary downtrend line off the November high of last year, 2021. We have plenty of reaction to validate it, and here we are parked in the deflection point right now. And if you're bullish, hey, this is where you'd try to buy here right below, coinciding with this 50-day moving average as well. Put in a close to a 3 black crow pattern. That's why I believe it's a little bit near term bearish, and I believe a little bit of a break below this yellow downtrend line ought to issue an objective entry short, and these would be my first targets here. We would have breakdown below here, hit that 26.49 for a 3.4% drop, 23.17 for a 15% drop, and 2043 for a 25% drop. We'll see if we even crack below it. On the bullish case, on the bullish side of the case, it does look like an inverse head and shoulder here. So again, here's your inflection point. If you're bullish, you could buy here, swing it up above to hit that 3060, 3390, and that would be a 9.8% pop, 3390. Which would probably coincide with that 200-day moving average as well for a 22.1% pop, and 36.55 for a 31% ride. We'll see if we get that. This is the inflection point, but I believe a little bit crack below here would provide an objective entry short in the risk-reward ratio. Look, as far as false breakouts, that's one of the most bearish things you can get is a false breakout, and we've had it 1, 2, 3 different times. So as far as the odds go, they're in your favor. The risk reward's there, and we'll see if we get it. As far as the MACD, we are right at zero line resistance as well. Same with the PPO, a little bit above it, around that near area. But this is Ethereum's inflection point. Now, if we go to the near-term 60-minute chart, each candle representing an hour here. Key Fibonacci retracement levels here. We put in a fall in 3 method pattern. We have this primary trend line here. And I believe it looks like it's starting to break down now, but a solid close, solid hourly close will issue a sell signal here on the hourly. We've already got a MACD crossing over as well, and gun to test that zero line as well as the oscillator. So we'll see if we can get it. Solid daily red cap, especially a larger drop on the hourly. We'll issue a sell signal. We'll have the 50-day moving average as well, coinciding on support with the 0.5 fibs retracement. And if we crack below that, that'll issue a sell signal. And these would be my targets here, which would be for near term, if you're a near term trader, 3.4% drop to 26.43, on 8% drop to that 25.13 level. At 23.03 for a 15% drop. Again, I would be gunning for these targets as well. So we'll see if we get it. We'll see. We'll wait for patiently for a solid break below. And if we don't get that break below, there's no short contracts to set up. If we do break below, it's time to start scaling in.